How to import fonts into Capcut PC. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to import fonts into Capcut PC. To begin with, you could either go and open up your browser and type in font da, and there you could go ahead and download it. After you've downloaded it, then you could open up your Capcut application on your PC. Click on the text from the top right and go to add text, and then you would see these trending default text. You could go ahead and select that. If not, what you could do is you could simply go ahead and click on commercial from the top right and select the font size. And when you locate it, so you could go ahead and set as default layout, or click on these arrow, and here click on the square icon from the top of the page and go to default layout. After which you could find these options right over here, the fonts that you've recently downloaded, and this is how you could import fonts into Capcut PC. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.